Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most extraordinary homes from across the United States. And today, we invite you to step inside one of Oregon's most breathtaking waterfront estates. Nestled along the serene Willamette River in the heart of Lake Oswego, this $4.99 million masterpiece at 12,790 South Fielding Road stands as a true symbol of elegant living, architectural precision, and timeless beauty. As the camera rises high above the river, a cinematic drone view reveals the estate's grand presence, the sunlight gleaming off its multicolored rooftop and cream-toned walls, surrounded by lush green landscapes, tall trees, and the soft shimmer of water reflecting the morning sky. The property stretches gracefully across more than an acre of prime riverfront land, offering privacy, peace, and luxury in perfect balance. As we descend closer, the grand entrance captures your heart instantly. A beautifully paved driveway leads to the front doors framed by manicured gardens and modern stonework. The design is both powerful and welcoming, a perfect fusion of Northwest architecture and refined European inspiration. Every detail whispers sophistication, from the handcrafted doors to the subtle play of natural light across the cream facade. Step further in, and the warmth of the home begins to unfold. The grand lounge, designed for comfort and connection, opens up to floor-to-ceiling glass windows overlooking the river. Natural sunlight dances on polished floors while soft beige tones, warm textures, and a modern fireplace fill the space with an inviting glow. Here, luxury isn't loud, it breathes quietly through elegance, harmony, and light. Move into the owner's suite, a sanctuary of serenity. The view from the master bedroom is simply magical, offering a front-row seat to nature's calm every morning. The Malta and cream tones continue throughout, creating a soft, romantic atmosphere. The ensuite bathroom is pure indulgence, a freestanding bathtub under skylight, marble floors, gold fixtures, and gentle light cascading through large windows. It feels less like a room and more like a personal retreat. The kitchen is a showstopper, an open, modern gourmet space crafted for both passion and precision. Gleaming countertops, stainless appliances, and pendant lights illuminate a stunning central island perfect for family breakfasts or evening wine with friends. The dining area beside it is equally elegant, a long table set for 8, glimmering beneath a chandelier as the river glows softly through the windows. Every corner of this home celebrates life, taste, and timeless design. Follow the soft rhythm of the house as you move up the grand staircase. Curved wood, glass railings, and a majestic chandelier above create an unforgettable statement. Upstairs, the design continues to balance warmth and luxury with ease. Step outside onto the terrace and breathe in the fresh air. The covered patio, complete with outdoor seating, heaters, and ambient lighting, is the ideal place to watch the sun fade behind the trees as the water reflects golden hues of dusk. Beyond the living spaces lies an impressive home gym, sleek, motivating, and modern, designed for wellness and focus. And just steps away, the garage stands ready for your luxury car collection, from a Lamborghini to a Tesla, displayed like art under polished lights and concrete perfection. Outside, the magic continues. The private swimming pool gleams under the Oregon sun, surrounded by an elegant deck and views that stretch endlessly over the river. Whether you're diving in for a morning swim or relaxing with friends in the evening breeze, every moment here feels like a dream. As night falls, the mansion transforms once again. Soft golden lights wrap around the architecture, casting a gentle glow over the cream walls and Malta rooftop. The reflection dances beautifully on the still river, turning this estate into a living masterpiece beneath the stars. Finally, as our drone ascends one last time, the entire property shines like a jewel, surrounded by water, nature, and elegance that transcends time. This is more than a home. This is a lifestyle, a story of design and detail where every corner reflects passion and purpose. Here at American Dream Mansions, we believe luxury isn't defined by price, it's defined by how a space makes you feel. This Lake Oswego estate embodies that emotion, calm, grand, and endlessly inspiring. Thank you for joining us on this stunning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more incredible homes, breathtaking designs, and stories of dream living from across America. Because your dream home might just be the next one we showcase.